Love you, girl.
Hi, my name's Miguel. I'm a sophomore in the fashion department now. And this is my front bodice drape for the first project. For this, I decided to, I actually started out with gathering all of it. And then I just got the idea to do it in little tiny tucks. And I wanted to do a little movement out here to really kind of contour and curve with the body. And it was really fun. All these marks here were really tricky to make sure that I had all of them notched so that when I took it apart, I could repin it the same way. And so far I've repinned it a couple times and I haven't had any issues. So it's been really, really fun. And then these are my two fabrics that I'm using. I have one of my back pattern pinned already. And yeah.
Oh, we're going. Hi, my name is Ashley, and this is my drape for the first project. Or not. So I decided to do a lot of these type of side pleats. At first, I wanted to do the side darts, but as we were talking about it, and it was just gonna be this these curved darts would have been hard. So instead, I kind of just took it, pinched it, and flipped it over, or pleated it over, and now I'm just working on making sure that the side seams line up. Since I drew the front, and now I'm doing the back. And also, I think the hardest part was probably just making sure that these line up. So since I've done the front, I'm able to do the back and just make sure I line that up. And also I have this cool front dart so I can create a diamond shape, and my plan is to have 2 separate panels and as well as 2 separate back panels. I'm doing mine in a stiff, almost denim-like fabric, so I'm excited to see how it'll come out.
My name is Ray. I decided to do kind of an elegant pleat idea. I put a bunch of pleats in the front, a few darts in the center. My inspiration was kind of I wanted things radiating out from the inside out. So I definitely overcame my fear of truing and marking with this because there were a lot of pleats in a lot of certain directions. So having to do that made me more comfortable with truing.
Hi, my name is Darwin, and I'm doing the perfect one. And here's I choose to do is I did 3 darts at the front neck, and then I did the horizontal, the tucks. Sorry. And then for the back, I did a few more tucks at back, and also the shoulder dart here, just for one.
What fabric are you using, darling?
I think I'm used the muslin for the final the stuff. So, yeah.
Perfect. Awesome.